I am at school in the hallway. Whoa! Okay.
It's after hours.
Ah.
You're thinking. Oh, it's
Okay.
after hours. And so, I dare you to put all those Pop Rocks in your mouth
Oh.
right now.
That's like a lot. Okay. Like that's like a lot. Okay. Pop Rocks. Mr. AC gave us Pop Rocks.
Yep,
We said thank you.
because we are not here for detention.
Yay.
Because we are.
We're doing it because we're practicing for the talent show. We're doing Hazel's Sister for the talent show.
Yeah, it's gonna be amazing. I'm really hyper right now.